Nick Fenton with DaytradeTeam.com. I've got a great trade setup I want to share with you. First, let's take a look at the market action from today and see what it can tell us. As you can see here in the Dow, we had a fairly mixed day between advancers and decliners, about 50-50 advancing to declining. HD being the biggest loser here in the Dow, and IBM being the biggest gainer. Let's take a look at HD first. As you can see here in HD, we had a gap down opening, so very weak start here overall. Continued down and found some stability, put in a bit of an uptrend into closing, showed some resistance on this potential downtrend line. Take a look at IBM here. Right around noon, we saw IBM begin to break out, highlighted here in this oval point where we began to see some upside action. And you'll notice we had a nice solid uptrend, somewhat of a channel, all the way into closing. So we'll be watching IBM next week for sure for continued upside action. I want to take this opportunity to quick look at the DIA, which reflects the Dow components here. As you can see, we're at some very high levels here in the Dow, all-time highs. Saw some price activity, no real breakouts through yesterday's high of day. So next week we'll definitely be watching for some moves through this 119.58 high of day level, and this will be a good indication of a potential breakout here in the Dow. You know, one thing I've noticed is that with the Dow at all-time highs, call option premiums are becoming more and more expensive. The first thing I think of when I see expensive call options are vertical credit spreads. That's why at 11 o'clock Monday morning in the live trading room, I'm going to discuss 3 vertical credit spreads that I think are ready to take to the bank. Also at 1 o'clock, we're going to be doing a mini seminar on technical analysis, support and resistance levels. Get a lot of questions on a day-to-day basis regarding support and resistance and how to properly implement them. Here's an idea of what we'll be doing here at 1 o'clock in the live trading room seminar. A resistance level refers to a price that the stock has bounced off several times. Notice this chart of Microsoft, how it has bounced off 28.25 again and again. We had a bounce off 28.25, some downside action, popped back up to 28.25, bounced off 28.25 again. We saw continued downside action from there, popped back up to 28.25, once again bounced off 28.25. This makes 28.25 a resistance level for Microsoft, and in Monday's mini seminar, I'll show you how to utilize this type of technical analysis to maximize your profits. Don't forget to check out the launch of WallStrip on Monday. Wallstrip.com is a new website launching Monday. I'm excited to say I'm contributing to the blog content of the website. Monday morning, the first episode will be launched at Wallstrip.com, hosted by Lindsay Campbell. Make sure you check her out. She's hot. We'll discuss the first episode in the live trading room at 2 o'clock. Again, really excited about contributing to this website. Make sure you check it out, Wallstrip.com. At 3 o'clock, we're going to be reviewing all of DaytradeTeam's open positions in the swing trading and options trading system. And now, as promised, here's today's setup of the day. Here's a 5-day daily bars chart of RIM, Research in Motion. As you can see, on Tuesday morning, we had a open at the high at just above 115. This 115 level is going to be a significant level that we'll be keeping a close eye on throughout the week next week. As you can see, we saw some nice upside action into the closing today, and any movement up above 115 is going to really be an indication of continued bullish activity here in Research in Motion. So we'll be keeping a close eye on this 115 level breakouts. We'll be looking for some decent volume, of course, on these moves above 115, but I think this is a significant level at which we should really pay attention. As you can see, we have some great events planned for Monday. If you can't make it at the scheduled times, everything's going to be available on demand for your viewing pleasure. If you're not a member of Day Trade Team just yet, make sure you go to DaytradeTeam.com and check out a trial membership. It's Friday. I'm out of here.